So I'm moving to the valve and the valve kit. So the valve is new, it's not up to 2 months, so I don't plan replacing it. So even use the new one, I'll still grind it. So I'll be grinding these valves and fixing it back to the top cylinder. So let's go grind for the valves. So now for grinding filaments, I think this is the coarse end. This one is a little more thicker for aggressive grinding. The other one is smoother. So what you just do is you add to the edges. So you notice you have to, this is the big one, so the big guy goes to the big side. This guy needs to come out. Somebody is in here. Well, this guy is not going to come out that easy. I need 8. Okay, that works. Come on. What is going on? Stopped. Imagine they're coming out from the same side. That's not supposed to happen. Okay, since that place is tight, let's bring this guy out. Come out. Thank you. Come on. Yeah, this guy's with it. Will you come out? How did I get this start? Look at this tiny thing stopping my life. Come out. Yeah. Imagine this tapping valve hooked in the engine. Hold up. Yeah. Come on, where you going? You stay there. So grinding back to grinding. Big is forward. And hold up. And small. Okay, let's go grinding. Grind that. Come to this. Okay, that was the first drill. Let's see what the first drill did. Let me just pull this all out so you see it's a little cleaner. So I'll be going again. I don't like doing it once, I like doing it twice so I can ensure what I'm achieving. So let's go second time. Slit that in. Take this one out. Well, I think I need to put a little more pressure on the second let's go. Okay, so let's see more things on the bigger one. Okay, so let's bring them both out. Let's see. So I'll be cleaning it off. So you see that? Smooth. Same thing for this. So you see? Smooth. Now the fine end is a little more smoother. So got a little fine grinding. I'll use this. So it's kind of like smoothing the surface. Okay, let me clean off the old one. Coarse. Okay, eyes out. So let's send Mr. Big Guy into Mr. Big Guy space, and let's add to Mr. Small Guy. Mr. Small Valve. Mr. Small Valve. Fixing Mr. Small Valve space. Okay, so grind. Grind, grind, grind. Go for Mr. Big Guy. Grind. Last time I saw smoke from the motorcycle, so there's a few things that can cause that smoke. One is leakage from this valve. Another can be from the piston. Most of the time, the piston is the most common. Most common source of leakage. It's very rare that you see valve leaking, except maybe you walk on the bike and I think there's a time I had leakage. It was a mistake from my mountain. All the other times I was learning this motorcycle, I fixed this valve, and one way or the other I forgot to fix the valve also. Motorcycle worked, but for a short distance I like cleaned the plug a lot of times, so it was sending a lot of carbon to the plug, because where oil is not supposed to go, oil was going there and all that. So grinding the valve is good. And yeah, I don't really, I work my motorcycle like 3 times, grind my valve twice, the 3rd time I change the valve completely. But if your valve is not that flat, if you want the product of valve you buy, bring some a little thicker that you can grind like 3 times. The grinding doesn't really take much space. the thickness of the valve. So, but when you grind it, you simply just adapt the valve to that surface. So when it's going up and down, it's adapting to that surface. So there is no leakage from it, but just move on. So grinding is done. Grinding is done. Let's clean it up. Okay. Okay. Let me just wash it out a little. I'm not satisfied with clean. So now see how fine that surface is. So that does that. Let's fix them in finally. Fix them in finally. Okay, now the tricky part is fixing the kit for the valves. So let's return fine guy in. So this helps with the timing setting. So this is the tricky part. So now if you notice these guys, they look similar, but when you notice that one is higher, one is kind of shorter. The one that's higher is the one on top, the shorter one is under. So you slap the shorter one under, then the springs. So